Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with a product that's been making waves, pun intended, the professional 2200W Ionic Salon Hair Dryer by TREZORO. Buckle up, because we're about to unveil why this hair dryer is hailed as the best hot air brush blow dryer out there. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at what makes this hair dryer stand out from the rest. With a powerful 2200W motor and advanced heat pro technology, this dryer doesn't just dry your hair, it does it fast and efficiently. Plus, it's lightweight and equipped with a cool shot button to set your style in place. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what real customers have to say about their experience with the TREZORO Salon Hair Dryer. Now, let's talk about the features that set this dryer apart. From its ceramic tourmaline grills that reduce damage to its inbuilt ionic system for frizz-free hair, the TREZORO Salon Hair Dryer is expertly designed to deliver professional results at home. Here are a few tips for getting the most out of your TREZORO Salon Hair Dryer. First, make sure to clean the removable filter regularly to maintain optimal performance. Second, use the wide bowl diffuser for perfect curls and volume styling. And finally, don't forget to utilize the cool shot button to lock in your style. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a high-performance hair dryer that delivers salon-quality results, look no further than the professional 2200W Ionic Salon Hair Dryer by TREZORO. With its powerful motor, advanced technology, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, it's clear why this dryer is considered the best hot air brush blow dryer available. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products. Until next time, happy styling!